In this video, I want to show you how to enable or disable voice and chant in Samsung Soundbar. To do this, first you'll need to click on the gear icon on your remote. It's located right here. It won't focus. Okay, it's right here. So click on it and then you will see that there's a different words being shown up on the display on the right side of your soundbar. Here just find the voice and chant, and now to turn it off you will need to click on the down button, or to turn it on you will need to click on the up button. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.